Robot, go forward.
Going forward.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Robot, go backwards and turn to the right.
Going in reverse. Turning right.
Robot, go forward and turn to the left.
Going forward. Turning left.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Robot, back up and turn to the left.
Turning left.
Robot, back up.
Going in reverse.
Robot, turn left.
Turning left.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Robot, go forward and turn to the right.
Going forward. Turning right.
Hey, robot, I think you should probably stop.
Stopping.
Hey, robot, I feel like you should turn to the right and maybe go backwards.
Going in reverse. Turning right.
Robot, please stop.
Stopping.
Robot, go forward like your life depended on it.
I didn't understand you.
Of course not. Robot, go forward like your life depended on it.
Going forward.
Robot, all stop.
I didn't understand you.
Robot, all stop.
I didn't understand you.
Uh-oh. Robot, stop.
Stopping.
You almost ran into the door, buddy. Robot, Simon says go backwards.
Going in reverse.
All stop. Stop. Turn left. Ah, didn't say Simon says. Robot, Simon says stop. Uh-oh. Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Robot, go forward.
Going forward.
Robot, turn to the right.
Turning right.
Robot, stop if you feel like it.
Stopping.
Robot, as fast as you can, go backwards.
Going in reverse.
Unfortunately, that's not really any faster. Robot, stop.
I didn't understand you.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Robot, go forward.
Going forward.
Robot, turn to the right.
Turning right.
Robot, turn left.
Turning left.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Ooh, just barely made it. Robot, steer straight.
Steering straight.
Uh-oh. Robot, go backwards.
Going in reverse.
Robot, steer straight.
Going in reverse.
What the?
Steering straight.
Alright, now we're out of alignment here. That's alright. Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Here we go. Robot, go forward and turn to the left.
Going forward. Turning left.
Robot, stop.
Stopping.
Alright. Well, this is a pretty good test. Just in case you're curious what's going on here. Got an old Raspberry Pi B, like the original Raspberry Pi B with a Wi-Fi adapter on it. There is a Python web server running on the Pi. I also have a MotorShield that's intended for an Arduino, but it's actually hooked up to the Raspberry Pi. And I have a I2C servo controller that actually runs, it can run 16 servos, but I only have one servo hooked up for the steering here. I have a USB battery pack that's actually running the Raspberry Pi. And I have a LiPo that's actually running the power for the motors and the servo. And my interface here is actually just a web browser. There is no code running on the computer. I can actually operate this from my phone. I can click these buttons, and that also works. See, it's executing in reverse. Doesn't talk when I use the buttons. I could change that. So the voice recognition is just using the web speech API that's now built into most modern browsers. And the so I get that, and then I use WebKit AI to send the string that Google's given me. Not Google, excuse me, the Chrome is giving me. I send that to WebKit AI for processing, and I have basically an AI program there that interprets the intent, like whether I want to go forwards, backwards, left, right. That's pretty much all I can do right now. I can, of course, add as many commands as I want. That's why if I don't say robot first, it doesn't do anything. It'll say, I don't understand you. And that's because I've programmed the web page to actually interpret the responses. It's not the robot that's actually interpreting the responses. It's the web page. The web browser is. There's JavaScript on the web page that is getting the information back from WebKit AI. And if it doesn't see the robot keyword in there, it just ignores everything and just says, whatever. That's why I'm able to hit the on button. As you can see, it understands everything that I say. I go, actually, is it working? Yeah, there we go. Robot, go forward.
Going forward.
See, so recognize that right there. It literally is listening to me all the time unless I hit the speech stop button. So it'll send that string to WebKit AI, and WebKit AI, whoops, robot stop. Oh, we just busted.